Hey guys, Tashdile everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make aloo egg parantha, which is very simple and delicious recipe, and hopefully you guys love it this recipe. And let's get started how to make. And guys, if you are visit my channel first time, do not forget to click the red button. Also click the one bell, so if you click the bell you will get always notification when I upload a new video. And let's get started how to make. So flour, here I use white flour, and now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Add the baking powder and mix it well. And we need for making dough 1 cup water, and add the water slowly and knead the dough. Then knead the dough until the dough becomes smooth and soft. Now I'm gonna apply some oil and leave it for 10 minutes. Rest the dough. The filling ingredient we need boiled potato and boiled egg. So here I already boiled. Now first I'm gonna mash the potato. So you can use whatever you have. Once you done the mash very nicely egg, and you have to mix it together very well. And here I use spring onion, so you can use regular onion also. So here I'm gonna add half teaspoon black pepper and 1.5 teaspoon salt. The salt is according to taste, you can add. Now I'm gonna transfer in another pot. It's difficult to mix it. And finally I'm gonna add half teaspoon sesame oil. The sesame oil is optionally. It will give nice flavor. So if you don't have, no problem. And by the way, if you want more freshness, then you can definitely add. Here I like to keep my parantha as very simple because I don't like too much masala. Now we need some dry flour. Now it's time to make divide into pieces. Now make a chapati into round shape, and if you want to make small and big, it's totally depend on you. The once the chapati is ready, and now it's time to fill up the filling. Take a 1 chapati and add 1 tablespoon filling and follow the video. And you have to pinch off end properly, otherwise it will easily come out the all filling. Repeat the all process. Now again you have to make round shaped chapati. In this time we add the inside filling, so you have to make very softly, lightly you have to press, otherwise it will come out the all filling. So you have to lightly press. And little I will recommend you, when you make the chapati or parantha, whatever you make, you have to remember always side is we need to make thin, and middle thickness is very easily cooked and side is little difficult to cook. So this is the remember. Usually everyone know how to make chapati. Now my all chapati is ready. Now it's ready to cook. So here I take some oil for fry, and you can use butter also. And here I already heat my fry pan. Now it's time to add parantha. Once the parantha will start to come little bubble, you have to flip it over and add 1 tablespoon cooking oil. And you have to lightly press and flip it over, and another side also you have to press. The parantha will not take a long time, it will cook very easily. Now it's time to take out the parantha. And I'm gonna add another parantha top on, because in this way your parantha have too much oil, then it will little take out. Repeat the all process in same way. Now finally it's ready. My aloo egg parantha is ready, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this recipe. And here I serve with some yogurt and some pickle. And guys, if you want to know for more recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends, and how it is, leave comment below. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.